Hello everyone. I'm here from a cooking channel, and in this video, I'll be sharing some quick and easy cooking ideas that will take less than 5 minutes to make. These are the kind of recipes that Indians absolutely love, so let's get started. The first recipe is 5-minute masala bhaji. This is a spicy and flavorful instant noodle dish that is perfect for a quick lunch or dinner. 1 cup of bhaji noodles, 1 teaspoon oil, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, coriander leaves for garnish. Now in a pan, add 1 cup of water. Bring it to a boil. Add the bhaji noodles and cook according to the instructions on the packet. While the noodles are cooking, heat the oil in a kodai on medium flame. Add the chopped onion and sauté until it turns translucent. Add the chopped tomato and cook until it becomes soft and mushy. Now, add the ginger paste and garlic paste and sauté for a minute. Now, add the red chili powder, turmeric powder, and garam masala. Continue to fry this on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the noodles are cooked, drain the water and add it to the gravy. Mix it well and garnish with the coriander leaves. Serve it hot and enjoy. The next recipe is quick poha. This is a traditional Maharashtrian breakfast dish made with flattened rice. Poha, 2 cups of poha, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon oil, 1 onion, 1 potato, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt. In a bowl, soak the poha in water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now in a pan, add the oil, add the mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Once they start spluttering, add the chopped onion and sauté until it turns transparent. Add the chopped potato and cook until it softens. Now, add the turmeric, powder, and salt. Mix it well and add the soaked poha. Now stir it continuously for 2 to 3 minutes on a high flame. Your quick poha is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy. The third recipe is 5-minute upma. This is a popular South Indian breakfast dish made with semolina. 1 cup semolina, 2 cups water, 1 teaspoon oil, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste. In a pan, add the semolina and roast it on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the water, bring it to a boil, and then reduce the flame to low. Add the chopped onion and tomato, add the mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Once they start spluttering, add the chopped green chili and turmeric powder. Now mix it well and continue to fry this on low flame for 5 minutes. Add salt to taste and enjoy. And the fourth recipe is 5-minute sandwich. This is a classic tea time snack that can be made in minutes. For bread slices, 1 teaspoon butter, 1 teaspoon jam, 1 teaspoon cheese, tomato slices, lettuce leaves. Now take a bread slice, apply butter on one side, place a bread slice on a hot pan, and toast it on low flame. Once one side is toasted, flip it over and apply jam on top. Now add cheese, tomato slices, and lettuce leaves. Roll it up, and your quick sandwich is ready. You can make 2 sandwiches in the same way. Enjoy. So these are some quick and easy cooking ideas that I wanted to share with you today. All these recipes are super simple to make and yet very delicious and satisfying. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.